I would say good. I have dealt with them for about 5, 6 years now, and I was shocked this last, a few months ago. I decided to get an impact front door, all glass, and I first was shopping like at the big box stores, as they call them, and forgot about Paradise. And then I happened to go by there. I was over by Lowell's and happened to stop there, and I was amazed at the new offices and everything. I said, well, you guys must have hit the jackpot because, from what it was 5, 6 years ago. And so anyway, it was fun to talk to people. And then Bill came out about the door, and I had dealt with Bill 5 years ago. So it was a comfortable situation, and he helped me decide on that front door. There's some people that, in like my neighborhood here, they decide that they're not going to spend that kind of money on their windows, but it's just a comfort to know they're there. Like this last storm threat we had, to know that we were good, and not having to fret about safety. So that part is peace of mind. It's worth the money.